Hello, learners. I'm Teacher Camille from Study with Teacher Camille. Do you know how to say what you do every day in English? Let's learn present simple together. Super easy, fun, and useful. New videos every Wednesday and Friday, so hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to never miss a lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. What is present simple? Present simple is used for things we do every day, like routines or habits. Example, I work every day. I like ice cream. I live in Manila. So it has no ing, no was, no were, just the base form of the verb. Easy, right? Now let's learn the structure of present simple. Here's the pattern. You need subject plus base verb. Examples. I play guitar. In this first example, I is your subject, play is your base verb, guitar is your object. Another example. You eat rice. So you is the subject and eat is your base verb. We study English. We is the subject. Study is your base verb. Remember this. Use S for he, she, it. Again, if your subject is he, she, it, use S. Example, he works. She works. Okay? Or she likes, it rains. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I like apples. She cooks dinner. They go to school. Great job, you're doing good. Now believe you can speak English. Start simple, practice daily. Okay? So let's practice more. Let's go to the real life situations. So, daily life using present simple. Let's use present simple in real life. Examples. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I teach English. Now, you comment below, what do you do every day? Okay, again, what do you do every day? So start with I. Example, I drink coffee. Try now, you can do it. It's your turn. Make three sentences using the present simple. You start with I, he, we. Share your sentences in the comments. I'll read and reply. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study with Teacher Camille. Okay, so let's keep learning. You did a great job today. Remember, use present simple to talk about routines. So subscribe for new English lessons every Wednesday and Friday. Comment your sentence below and tell me, what do you do every day? So watch the next lesson. Thank you so much for your time and for your participation. Have a great day, everyone, and see you again. Bye.